In this video, I am going to show you how to uninstall a software program from your Windows 10 computer. So what you want to do is click on the Start button, and then once you do that, normally a search box would appear here in some versions. Since I don't have that, then I am going to click this icon here, the search bar. So I am going to type in control panel. I can click enter or I can click this option here. So I'm gonna click here, and then all of these items here are in the control panel. And so it came up on mine as view by large icons, but what normally would come up to start possibly would be view by categories, and these are the categories in the control panel. And so you can do program, you can click on program, and then you can follow the other clicks, but I like to do less clicks. So I'm going to do here, change this view by to large icons so I can see all the items that are in my control panel. So then I want to click here, programs and features. Once I click programs and features, then I see all the list of items that are in my programs and features. So what I want to do is uninstall a program. So to uninstall a program, you would just click on the program and then click uninstall. And then it was going to ask for some programs, it's going to ask you, like this pop-up window did, are you sure you want to uninstall that program that you want to uninstall? If you do, you would click yes, and then it would uninstall, and then the program would disappear from the list. And so I'm going to go ahead and select no. Since this is a training, I want to keep that program. And so normally in another case, what would happen is once you click the uninstall, sometimes some of the programs, the screen will go black, and then a pop-up window will appear, and it would ask you to select OK or cancel. Basically, are you sure you want to uninstall? Are you sure you want your computer to uninstall this program? OK or cancel. If you want to go forward, you would click OK. And if you don't, if you like made a mistake or something, then you can click cancel. And so sometimes that would happen. And so if that happens, that's what you do. And then if you did uninstall it, then the programs would disappear from this list like I mentioned before. I have just showed you how to uninstall a software program from your Windows 10 computer.